Hey guys, how's it going? So I saw that the video I made about the Nokia Fastmile Airtel, router device is getting a lot of comments, and I just want to address some of these comments. Now I'm going to skip some of your comments because some of you were just insulting for like no reason, right? But some of you were really genuinely leaving your feedback and also asking questions, right? So I'm just going to go over some of these and I'll leave a response. Also to clarify a couple of things, because some of you, for example, the first question I have here basically says, what's your location? I mean state, not address. Do you normally get 5G there? Yes, I'm currently in Lagos, right? And from what I've seen on Airtel's website, there is actually 5G in, I think, almost everywhere in Lagos. You can actually check this yourself. If you want to find out if there is 5G in your area, go to Airtel's website, right? I'm going to leave a link to that page. There is a place where you can enter your address and then you can toggle between 5G, 4G, 3G. Basically, you get to select different options and see the map of your area to see if 5G is available there or if 4G is available there, pretty much. So find out for your area. In fact, some of the things I talked about in that video, you can easily find out about them as well by going to Airtel's website, calling Airtel's customer support team, or just checking in at the nearest store where they sell devices, right? Then another person said, try IPNX. It reaches 1 gigabyte per second. It's fiber though. I know IPNX. I've talked about IPNX like 2 years ago or thereabout. IPNX is good. Some of the guys that I know that have used it, it's not bad, but it's actually expensive. So if you're reaching out to IPNX or you're checking out their website, check their plans, see how much it costs. It's good, right? I don't know about the coverage. I don't know if it's everywhere in Nigeria. You'd have to check with the support team. But again, some of the people I know that use it, they pay a lot for the subscription every month. And another person said, this gadget does not support any SIM aside Airtel. I have tested it. It depends. If you buy from Airtel directly, it will most likely only support Airtel, not other not other networks, right? But I've met people who are able to buy it from other places and they were able to use other SIMs in it. So again, check with whoever you know that sells these devices. Check with your guy that sells, maybe new laptops or new telecom devices and all of that, and see if they are going to help you. In the previous video, I left a dealer's contact that you can reach out to. Some people still left comments under the video asking me to drop the number. Someone said, my problem with this video is that this guy did not drop the number. The number is there in the description. Do you want me to show you how to check the description of a video on YouTube? It's there. Then another person said, I get 320 Mbps internet on MTN 5G with the 40K for 400 gig monthly. It's MTN or nothing. I agree with this person. MTN is good. MTN is really good. However, I think that this video got a lot of attention because MTN started misbehaving and people were looking for alternatives. That's how, this video blew up, because MTN too started acting up. MTN is good, right? Like even right now, I have an MTN device here that I use sometimes. So MTN is really good. There's no doubt about that. But again, sometimes MTN serve the fuck up, and that is why we did that. Another person said too bulky. I agree. It's bulky. It has the receiver, it has the router and all of that. It's bulky. But then, isn't Starlink bulky too? Then another person said, do this comparing this with Starlink. That's lame. This device is nowhere close to Starlink. 25 Mbps is child's play. Starlink reads in hundreds, bro. This is funny. This is funny because you're talking about the download speed. When it comes to downloads, Starlink is fine. There's no doubt about that, right? But the upload speed of Starlink, go and Google it. Just Google what is the upload speed of Starlink. And then you laugh, you will understand, there is no time, there has never been a time that Starlink's upload speed has gone up to 25 Mbps. It's funny because sometimes you guys make it look like Starlink is this one special device, and I haven't used it before. But if you check my this YouTube channel, it's littered with Starlink reviews. I have a Starlink device. I've made tons of videos about Starlink. So again, Starlink too has its own issues, right? The upload speed of Starlink is nowhere near the upload speed of MTN or the upload speed of what's it called, Airtel. So relax. There are also a lot of people under this video that also use the Airtel device, and they are even leaving helpful feedback. They give a lot of suggestions as well. Like, it's all there. Someone said, can I insert the SIM in my phone? I think you can. I've never really tried, but yes, it will work on your phone. Someone already responded to that. Even it will work on your phone. It's basically you subscribing, right, on the Airtel SIM, just like any other SIM. You can use the SIM on your phone. Then someone said the Airtel 5G device is unlimited as well after the first month. Someone said, can I use my MTN router power bank? I would have checked this for you, but my MTN router power bank is no longer good, so I cannot use it. Does it work everywhere or in specific areas like MTN? Again, check Airtel's website. Check for the coverage of 5G in your area or your address. Someone said 5G speed 25 Mbps, Jesus. Well, that is the plan, right? You can buy a higher plan if you want, that's fine, but it will cost you more money. Someone said, I love the mic you are using, how can I get one? I am going to leave the link to the mic in the description. So yeah, I think I've answered most of your questions. Let me know if you have other questions for me or if you have any feedback. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye.